guys, today is our more diving game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So please get ready for it and please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also so now we have these type of videos on this channel. So let's move to a computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video we are solving a 447 question by the name of number of boomerangs. Okay, like this type of question. So first of all, we understand the question carefully, as then we will be write the code. So let's copy the question. Let's copy the whole question. And now let's see the question is on about. Let's see, question is on about the array, hash table, and math. Okay, so when I copy the question, so I'm drag and drop this question into my Word file. So I will be told this question carefully as to you. Okay, so let me give him to the font. So let's read the question. It is saying me you are given an n points in the plane that are all distinct. Please highlight this word where points square bracket I equals square bracket xy a boomerang. Please highlight it. Boomerang is one tuple of points like I, j, k such that this distance between I and j equals the distance between I and k. So the order of the tuple matters. So please highlight it this, the order of the tuple matters. Now in this tag we return the number of boomerangs. Okay, in this here we return the number of boomerangs. So let's see the example 1. In the example 1 here he create a one points in which he writes 0 0 1 0 and 2 0. The output will become 0 because the two boomerangs are 0 1 0 2 0 0 2 0 and 1 0 2 0 0 0. So let's see our example 2. So this is one example 2 in which he write points square equals to 1 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, and the output will be coming 2. So in our case 1 our output will become 2 and our case 2 our output will be also become 2. So let's see our case 3. There he created one points in which he write 1 1, the output will become 0. So in our case 1 our output will become 2, in our case 2 our output will become 2, and our case 3 our output will become 0. Okay, so these are the constraints which we have used to solve this question. Okay, so these are the constraints. So now let's start to write the code because I understand the question carefully, yes, and I hope you also be understand the question carefully. So let's start to write the code. So first of all, to write the code, first of all let me start the timer of it. So let's start to solve it. So first of all I am writing a boomerangs, okay, because the topic is on about it, so that's why on about that question boomerang, so that's why I'm writing it. For loop, then p1 in points, distances equals to default dict, and then we are writing here int. Okay, enter press. Here I am writing for p2 in points, then I am writing a if p1 equals to p2, then semicolon, then enter, then continue, then enter, then dist equals to p1 0, then minus p2 0, multiply by 2 plus p1 square bracket 1 minus p2 then 1, multiply by 2. Okay, multiply by 2. Then when we do this, so okay, remove this and then do this, enter. Now write here distance says, okay, please write here as, then dist, then plus equals to 1, enter, backspace for dist in distances dot values, then rounded bracket, then semicolon. Then when we do this backspace, then when you write this all the thing, write here boomerangs plus equals to dist multiply by dist minus 1, then return the output, return boomerangs. Perfect. So here you print your output. So let's see it not give me any error. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, So now let's run it now. So first of all, let's read this question carefully and then let's see the answer of it, because there are three cases. Okay, and now let's see the there are 1,90,000 people have submitted this and only 1,07,700 people accepted. So and acceptance rate is 56.2%. So it has been little bit hard. So I think our answer is perfect. So let's run it. So when I run it, so now it not give me any error, I hope. So it is giving me the error in the 10th line. Okay, in the 10th line. So let's okay, in the 5th line, by the mistake I remove s from here. So let's write s. Now run. So now it not give me any error now. So here you can see it is not giving me any error in the 10th line. Now it is giving me the error in the 12th line. Okay, let's see. So let me see my all the codes. Okay, in the 3rd line, by the mistake I write I do not write double O, I write only one O. So that's why it is giving me the error. So now let's run it now. So when I run it, so now it is giving me the error in the line 12. Okay, by the mistake I did not close my rounded brackets. So now run it. So now I hope our all cases are accepted. So here you can see our case 1, case 2, case 3, both cases are accepted. Our case 1 is also be accepted, our case 2 is also be accepted, our case 3 is also be accepted very successfully. Yes, in our case 1 our output will become 2 and expected output is 2 and my also output has been coming 2. In our case 2 our output will become 2, expected output is 2 and my also output has been coming 2. In our case 3 the expected output is 0 and my also output has been coming 0. So both cases are accepted, but let's submit this question and let's see the submission of this question. The submission is correct or not. So let's recheck our code. Okay, so we write here boomerang is equals to 0. Then we use for loop p1 in points, then semicolon. Then distances equals to default dict int for p2 in points. Then we create one more for loop by the name of p2. Then we write if statement p1 equals to p2 semicolon. Then we use here continue. Then dist equals to p1 square bracket 0 minus p2 square bracket 0. Then multiply by 2 plus p1 square bracket 1. Then minus p2 1. Multiply by 2. Then we use right here distances square bracket dist, then plus equals to 1. Then for loop we use one more time, we use for loop in which I write dist in distances dot values, then rounded brackets, then semicolon. Then boomerangs plus equals to dist multiply by rounded bracket dist minus 1, and here we return our output. So now let's see the question, and you are given an endpoint in the plane that are all districts, and our task is we return the number of boomerangs, and we return the number of boomerangs here in the 13 line. And there is one example, case 1, case 2 and case 3, and the question is on about array, hash table and math. Okay, so now I think so our answer is correct. So let's see the running time, so sorry, submission time. So when I submit this code, so I hope it will be correct. So when I submit this code, so the submission of this code is accepted, and we solve it in the 495 in the 495 milliseconds. We solve this question, and our submission is also be accepted. So here you can see it. Then the description, here we solve our number of boomerangs and 447 question we solve in today's video. So now I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you don't miss about these type of videos on the channel. And come on to my profile name is Rayyan, like you all know. Okay, all the people know that. So this is my profile, so go and view my profile. 6 people is already view my profile, so you will be also be go and view my profile. Okay, and now here you can see in today's video we solved this question. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So now anyways, let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.